Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of setting up a secure WireGuard VPN connection using the SSH UDP service. Whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy or simply want a more secure and stable internet experience, this video will guide you step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open any web browser of your choice. Google Chrome or Firefox works great. In the search bar, type SSH UDP and press enter. Make sure to click on the official SSH UDP website from the search results. Once the site loads, look at the top left corner and tap the hamburger menu icon, those three horizontal lines. This will open the full navigation menu. Now, go to Services and tap on WireGuard Server. Step 2. On the WireGuard server page, tap Create Account to automatically generate your VPN configuration. Once it's ready, you'll be given two options. Download the config file or copy the configuration to your clipboard. Either method works, just choose what suits you best. Step 3. Next, head over to the Google Play Store. Search for WireGuard VPN. Make sure it's the official app by WireGuard LLC and tap Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Now tap the plus icon and choose Import from File if you downloaded the config file, or choose Import from Clipboard if you copied it earlier. Step 4. If you want to customize your VPN connection settings, here's how. Tap and hold the server profile. Tap the gear icon, then select Edit Tunnel. In the Endpoint section, add a valid server name indication SNI in front of the WireGuard server address. Don't forget to tap Save to apply the changes. Step 5. You're almost there. Now tap the radio button next to your new server profile. This will activate your secure WireGuard VPN connection. That's it. You are now connected securely using WireGuard VPN with SSH UDP, offering you better online privacy, security, and performance. Have any questions or run into issues? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.